Hello, guys. So, the topic for today is can you lose 3 kilos of weight in 2 days? Well, sounds catchy, sounds very clickbaity, but it is true you can. And now I'll tell you how you can. Now, first of all, if you plan to lose 3 kilos in 2 days, then it should be for some purpose, I guess. Maybe there's some function coming up. Maybe there's some award show coming up in which you have to go and receive an award, and some pics and all will be clicked, so you want to look slim in that. Or maybe some of your relatives are getting married, so you're attending that marriage and you want to look slim in that. Now here, the weight which you will lose is not actually fat. It is going to be mostly water weight. Water weight is the weight which a person gains when he eats carbs. 1 gram of carb adds 3 grams of water weight in your body. Alright? 3 grams. So the procedure to lose weight in this manner is simple. There are 3 steps which you have to follow in these 2 days before that function in which you want to look smart. Slim, whatever. Step number 1. Step number 1 is you have to cut down your carb intake to less than 50 grams of carbs per day. That means just 2 slices of bread, or maybe a bowl of rice or oats. That's it. 50 grams of carbs. That's it, not more than that. The protein intake should be 1.5 gram per kilogram of body weight. For example, if your weight is maybe 100 kilos, so 100 into 1.5, how much is that? 150 grams of protein per day. Because protein only adds to the lean mass, it won't cause any weight gain, and it will make you feel fuller and you'll eat less food. And the fat intake should be around 30 to 40 grams per day, not more than that. But the main thing is carbs. Carbs should be below or equal to 50 grams per day, not more than that. Step number 2. You will have to do 1.5 hours of cardio, which means 1.5 hours of running, 1.5 hours of fast cycling, 1.5 hours of swimming, 1.5 hours of cross trainer, or a mix of those, 20 minutes each. 1.5 hours of cardio is necessary to burn those calories and to get rid of that water weight. Alright. And along with this, you will have to do a weight training session of 1 hour on these 2 days. You see, this is a very unhealthy way to lose weight, but we all want to look good on some family function or something, so we have to do it. And after you do these 2 things, or these 3 things which I have told you on these 2 days, you will definitely lose 3 kilos in a time span of 2 days. But mind you, that will mostly be water weight, not really fat. Like if you have a double chin, it will subside, it will go away. That's great to look good in a function. If you have collected fat in your chest, or your some people also collect in the calves and various regions of the body. Some people collect in the stomach area. All that weight is going to get shunted out because you've cut down the carbs, and only carbs add the water weight. So you can lose 3 kilos in 2 days by following these simple steps. But yeah, you should get back to your normal diet after these 2 days. Do not continue this diet plan and this exercise plan, otherwise it is going to spoil your metabolism. I don't want to make this video too long, so that's about it. I have told you the steps to lose 3 kilos in 2 days. And if we talk deep about this topic, this video can continue forever. So that's about it. Those were the steps. Please like this channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, and please share it as much as you can. And one last thing, I'm very happy with the growth that this channel has had, because and I think the one of the major reason for that is that I have been more regular with uploading videos on it. On YT Studio, I have checked the progress of this channel. Over the past 20 days, the subscriber base has increased from 96 subscribers to 118 subscribers. It's not a huge jump, but it does mean something to me because the subscriber count has crossed 100. It's a small number, but it means a lot to me. And the watch time is also increased from 700 minutes per month, I guess, to around 100 minutes per day. So this channel is growing and I want to grow it further. I need your support. I will keep sharing genuine knowledge with you. Until next time, take care and stay safe.